Hello everyone! Are you wondering how often you should replace your jogging shoes? Let's find out. The lifespan of jogging shoes depends on various factors, including the quality of the shoes, your running style, the surfaces you jog on, and how frequently you use them. A general rule of thumb is to replace your jogging shoes every 300 to 500 miles. This range accounts for the wear and tear on the cushioning and support structures of the shoes, which can degrade over time and with use, potentially leading to discomfort or injury. Keeping track of the mileage on your shoes can be helpful, but it's also important to pay attention to the signs of wear and tear. Look for noticeable changes in the shoe structure, such as worn-out treads, compressed or uneven midsoles, or any tears or damage to the upper part of the shoes. Additionally, if you start experiencing new aches and pains in your feet, ankles, knees, or hips, it might be a sign that your shoes are no longer providing adequate support and cushioning. Your individual running style can also affect how quickly your shoes wear out. Runners who tend to overpronate or supinate might see more rapid wear in specific areas of their shoes. If you fall into these categories, monitoring your shoes for uneven wear can help you determine when it's time for a replacement. For those who jog regularly, having 2 pairs of jogging shoes and rotating between them can extend the life of each pair. This rotation allows the midsole foam to decompress and the shoe to dry out thoroughly between uses, potentially increasing the longevity of your shoes. In conclusion, while the 300 to 500 mile guideline is a good starting point, the best indicator is often the condition of your shoes and how your body feels during and after jogging. Regularly inspect your shoes for signs of wear, and be attentive to any changes in comfort or the onset of pain, as these can be clear signals that it's time for a new pair of jogging shoes. Please follow the channel for more jogging tips. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.